How to get the Settings app back on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. As you can see, you cannot find the Settings app over here. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Over here, search for or scroll down to find the Settings app. You can now find and open the Settings app from here. This means that you might have removed this app from your home screen previously. Doing this removes the app from the home screen but keeps the app in your app library. Now, press and hold the app and tap on Add to Home Screen. You have now successfully added this app back to your home screen. Then, open the Settings app and go to General. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset below. And then, select Reset Home Screen Layout. Following these steps, you can easily get the Settings app back on iPhone.